Welcome again to my tutorial video. Right now I want to show you guys on how you can easily register, verify your Bybit account right now. In this video, do it to subscribe, like, share this video across your community. And if you want content like crypto content, making money online in this particular channel, do it to subscribe, like, and share this video. So I'll give you everything step by step on how you can easily register your Bybit account with easy step by step in this video. Just make sure to subscribe, like, and share this video. All right, so just make sure to follow the process I want to show you right now, and let's let's me show you right now step by step on how you can easily do it step by step. Before I will show you, so the first thing you need to have a VPN on your Chrome if you want to use Bybit right now, because it's not available right now on web browser, but you can download it on your Play Store. But this is the process I want to show right now on how you can use it step by step on your Chrome browser. So I will show you how you can add the VPN right now so that you can easily use Bybit step by step on your Chrome browser. So let's go ahead and show you step by step right now, guys. All right, if you want to get access to your Bybit account, all what you need to do right now is to just come to your to your Chrome web browser, so that you can get access to VPN on your web right now on your Chrome. This is a Chrome web browser to use Chrome extension to allow you to use Bybit in Nigerian for your Bybit registration if you want to register on your Chrome browser. So all what you need to do right now is just make sure to come to this particular area and search for VPN. What's gonna happen? You search for VPN here. All right, you can see you can even choose the first one, any one of this VPN. Let's say the first one. You just need to just make sure to add the VPN to your Chrome extension. You click on add, then you switch your location to either South Africa or wherever. You can see, then you make sure to pin it here. You can see, make sure you pin it like this. I've already pinned the VPN. So all we need to do right now is to just make sure to come to this area, then you try to select the country you want to go for before you can see. Right now I'm in the location is just Nigerian, but I can switch to some African country that you can even search for South Africa or wherever. So you can see it's the same, very simple. Then right now it has connected to South Africa. So all we need to do right now is to just paste the links down below this video for you guys to start doing your registration right now on your Bybit account. So right now, if you want to register with Bybit, just make sure to paste the link here, the link I gave you. Then you can see the Bybit with open on your Chrome browser. It's that simple. You're gonna see something like this on your after you click on the links. After you click on the link, you are going to see this particular area. Then you continue with your registrations on Bybit step by step. All right, it's that simple and easy, guys. So let's continue with the registration right now, guys. All right, let's continue with the video right now. So when you click on the links, all right, this is how it's going to look after you click on my registration link on this particular video. So the next step right now is to just make sure to fill all your information, your email, your password. You need to do that. Then you can now click on get my welcome gifts. So let me show you step by step on how you can do it right now. Right now you can see I've already put my email address and everything. All right, now I'll now try to click on this get my welcome bonus. It's that simple. Let me show you. Let me click on get my welcome bonus. Make sure you put your correct password. Don't do any mistake, so that you can easily get your welcome bonus when you follow the step. All right, it's that simple and easy. So I'll try to drag this thing to this area for you guys to, all right. So I've already dragged it. So let's see right now. So they're going to send me an verification code to my email address so that I can easily check it and see if they have sent me an email right now into my, so that I can get access to that code right away. Let me just go to my email. All right, this is the email that was sent to me. Then I'll just insert the code right now. All right, I'll just insert the code right now. It's that simple. This is just follow the step by step on how you can just register step by step using your Bybit account. You can just paste it, or it may, all right, I've already pasted it right now. Let's check. Simple. You can see, very simple and easy. We have already created a new Bybit account step by step in less than 5 minutes. In less than 5 minutes. The next step right now is to just make sure to verify this Bybit account. Can you see they say verify identity to unlock full, can you see full platform? You can see full access. You need to just make sure to, it's just like 2 minutes. You can take, you see 2 to 3, 5 minutes with a valid ID card. So you can easily do that. Immediately you register, you can see your account not verified. All right, so you can see this is just tutorial video for you guys on how you can easily create your Bybit account step by step on your web Chrome browser. Then just make sure to click on this get verified now. Then you follow the step. You can use your NIN. You can use, you can see it depends on the location you are. It depends on the location you are. If you are from South African, Nigerian, anywhere you are, you can use it. You can use it. You see, to identify verification step may vary based on your selected country. It depends. If you are from Nigerian, you can select either Nigerian. It depends on you, because you know right now you can select, let's say, Nigerian as an example. You come here, then you go ahead. Can you see? Then you confirm. You see, it's that simple. It's that simple. You have already select. Then right now is to, so right now you can see I've already select Nigerian as my country. Then complete identity verification standard now. Then you need to just click on this, please submit a copy of your identity verification document as along with selfie. It's that simple. Just follow the step they ask you to do. Then your account will be fully verified. It's that simple. Then you just click on this verify here. Then you follow the step. Then you select the country. Can you see? You can select the location here. You can use recommended ID card, passport, driving license. You can change your region to any country. I don't know. Or it depends. All right, here you can see, very simple. You can use your VPN. You see the ask. You can use your VPN NIN, or you can use your NIN. It's recommended. It's very simple. So you can use your NIN to verify your account. You can use ID card. You can use driving license. You can use passport. You can use resident permit. Just follow the step by step. Then after you input your NIN, all right, finish. Just make sure to show your face. I mean, to do a selfie camera, either on your phone or on your browser. Then you have complete step by step on how you can easily verify, create your Bybit account. If you enjoyed this video so far, try to hit the subscribe button, like this video right now, share it to people. Let me know your thought in this video in the comment section. So this, because this is a very important area, I cannot show you all the process here because of the security reason. So when you reach here, just follow the step, put your NIN, put your NIN, all right, number or ID card, wherever you have here. Then make sure you try to, to show your face as a very, very important area. So this is the very way on how you can easily verify, create your Bybit account. Thank you guys for watching. Subscribe right now. Do well to subscribe. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in my next coming video. Bye.